Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back in my HOBONICHI cousin for the week of January 3rd through to January 9th. And I will be decorating with, where is it here? The Coffee Monsters Co. A New Chapter kit. It's not really a new chapter in my life. I say, well, I don't know, maybe it is. Starting off 2022 with, you know, 3 new planners versus the 7 that I had this time last year. And I don't know, I feel like it's a time of reflection. Maybe last week was a time of reflection before New Year's, but I just feel like it's not necessarily a new chapter, but it's a new year, so I thought this was fitting. And then I'm going to try and see if any of these might fit with that as well. Let's get started. The first thing I'm going to do is decide which washi I want to put down at the top. Whether it's the Simply Gilded, because there's some nice blues in here, or the coffee one. I think I'm going to go with the blue. Just because, I don't know. And I'm going to cover up the space at the top because I don't really use it. Maybe I should, you know, maybe this is that time where I should start using the different spaces up at the top, but we'll see. Oh, that didn't rip as well as I'd like. Okay, and then putting that down. Okay, already I like it. Now I also want to use some of these stickers in my daily pages in the cousin, so I don't think I'm going to use all the full boxes in here. I'll probably use some of them, just a matter of which ones I do want to use. So I think, let's just use this one down at the very bottom. And I want to, yes, I want to combine it with this washi. Just even like that, yeah. And it's not, and it's crooked. That's okay. Then down the sidebar, is everything crooked? That's okay. I'm gonna use Helen's, what's that called? Her graph that she includes with the kit, and I'm gonna be using that for sleep. Actually, instead of this, I'm gonna use my Tombow Fudenosuke to brush ladder that in, and then find myself an emoji. So this is my sticker album with just emojis in it. You've seen me pull this out on occasion. I don't know if I've got it organized in any specific way, but it seems to work for me. So anything regarding relaxing, which includes sleep, I will place on here. But I know I have some like Snorlax ones, line, relax, nails. I really need to organize these. Here we go. Sweet Stuffy Dreams. I think I'm going to use the brown to just go like, actually I'm going to take this off. Nope, before I even take it off, I'm going to write all the numbers in there, because knowing me, I'll probably mess it up. And normally I speed through this, but I thought, well, why not try and make it work by talking through it. Okay, let's move this out of the way here. So, take the graph, place it up at the, maybe put down some of this washi. Yeah, I love the coffee. And that, I don't want to cover up the 31 though. There we go. I feel like the coffee is the appropriate one for sleep. Then a little Snorlax here. For the Sweet Stuffy Dreams. Then down here at the bottom, I will be putting down, let's just do the this week. Yeah? Or all over the place. I'm going to take one of these. Yeah, going to take one of these with a workout sticker. Let's find that. One of the reasons why I do this normally sped up is because the time it can take me to find the stickers as well. So go that down like that. I like that. Kind of reminds me of what I'm going to look like, so I'm going to try to do small brush lettering here. And then I'm going to add in my workouts for the week. Okay, so now that that's done, I think I'm actually going to zoom in so you guys can see what I'm writing. So next week is a weird week because the kids are supposed to be going back to school, and the Alberta government have just basically said no. The kids are going to get an extended winter break while they try and figure out what they're going to do with Alberta education. So I don't know. We will see, but I still have to work. So, what do I want out of this? Okay. So, I'm going to write in work here. And you know what? I'm not feeling all the stuff in the back here. There we go. Maybe this is why I do this as a voiceover, because I'm just all over the place. And I don't know if this blue matches exactly. It probably does not, and that's okay. So just writing down work. And I'm going to do that all across here with these pens. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to be like this week. I mean, my kids are going to be home on an extended winter break, and I'm very fortunate that I work from home, so I don't have to find childcare for them. But I do feel for those parents that do have to find alternate childcare because they have to work outside of the home. So, ruler. At least I don't have to write in that I have to pick up my children. And this week at work is going to be really the busiest week that we normally have, with everybody wanting to come back to WW to rejoin. Alright, so work schedule. I am debating whether I need little work emojis. I don't know. Do I? Maybe not. Or, this is so strange now planning for this because it's just, it feels all over the place. Making sure I'm actually still in frame and you can see what I'm doing. And then normally I put my to-do lists underneath here, and there's no time as to when I do my to-do list. It's just kind of there when I need to do them. Excuse me. And the main thing that I do on Mondays is I do our meal planning, and then I order the groceries. I've been ordering groceries for years now just because it's so much more convenient And it's actually what I did in the UK as well. Order groceries and then have them delivered to us, which is so convenient. And then down here, I think I'm gonna do D. I'm gonna put BLD actually much lower because I don't need as much room, I realized. Then moving on to Tuesday. Next week is also supposed to be a cold week, so I don't think I have the ability to be able to take Lucy for walks next week either. She's been kind of cooped up inside all of December, really. I'm trying to see if there's anything. Yes, I remember on Wednesday the 5th, moving everywhere, I have an appointment with the physio. So let's find my chiropractor sticker. I'm not used to having the boxes fit exactly in the columns. Am I supposed to be doing anything else on the Wednesday? I can't remember. And then just writing BLD again. I'm going to write BLD all across the bottom so I don't forget to do that. I feel like there's more important things that I need to remember. But because the kids don't have school next week, it's not as, well, it's not like what it was. Main thing is I do have to remember to pick up groceries. I say I have to remember, but it's my husband that picks up groceries. So put this here. And groceries are normally picked up between 6 and 6:30. Here. Gosh, again, it's so strange to have boxes that actually fit within the columns. I'm so not used to that. Okay, and then notice I'm not using a whole ton of stickers right now because this is just basically pre-planning. I will probably use more of these as the week goes on. But also, I don't really use a lot of like these little ones. I like the main boxes. But it's making me realize that kits aren't necessarily my thing, depending on what it is. But I will put down the weekend one. Love that. Weekend banner. I feel like there's something else I need to remember for Friday. Oh, Friday. We do have to do some filming. And actually I have to film on, I believe I have to film on the Thursday as well. So another, actually, I'm gonna do it like this. And, oops, that will be to film the weeks and the cousin. What I'm hoping to do as well for the daily spreads in here is to do kind of like an after the pen that I did similarly when I was doing the mini, but I feel like it will be less stressful because the planner's here already. I don't have to, I feel like I don't have to make an extra effort because it's stuff that I'm already doing, but we'll see. Okay. One big thing though that is happening is my new releases are coming out on the 8th. And what's the sticker that I want to use for that? I said I wasn't going to use many of these, but I'm going to... Oh, that's going to be a busy day. My new releases, Henry Scott wall climbing, and I have a massage. Gonna take this little Busy Bee sticker and actually place it here. I'm just gonna say new releases, and I will put them at 9 o'clock Mountain Time, so while I'm in my massage. Okay, and then I do have to double check whether Robin still has her thing, her archery that day. So after checking my calendar, I don't think Robin actually has a open house that day, so I'm just gonna leave it. But you know, the fun thing that I always get to do on a Saturday night. Oh, you know what? If there's a possibility I could go to Stylus and cash in my gift card that I got for Christmas. Ooh. So I'm gonna take just the sticker for laundry because it's laundry. And I take this one from Paper Bits Co. Place it here for laundry. I really like using emojis because it just, you can make the spread as fun or as functional as you want. And I feel like I used to use a lot more stickers that were more decorative than functional, and I find emojis a mix of both decorative and functional. Then on the weekend, anybody who knows us knows that we do our cleaning on the weekends because we're just so much fun. And put that down there with a cleaning ninja sticker. Maybe I should organize these. That is what I'm doing this afternoon, is doing more decluttering. That's what I've been doing on my week off, is a bunch of decluttering. So always do bathrooms. And then one thing I do have to make sure to remember, I'm just going to take a blue one, is to also remind my daughter here, do it for the 8 o'clock. Let's see. I'll use this one, a little check marky. Make kids lunches if they are actually going back to school. I'm gonna try something new here down at the bottom where I'm gonna have a heading that says meals. Basically outline that with my Tombow to kind of be able to separate it. Now I could have also left this area for steps and calories, but I will actually be tracking my steps and calories in my year overview. So along with my habits, I'm going to write down the number of calories burned as well as how many steps I got each day. All right, so that is it for me. It looks really bare. I know it looks really bare, but this is the way that I prep my planner for the week, and then I fill it out as I go. I'm not somebody who back plans anything. I try to keep up with my planner pretty well actually throughout the week, and I do like the look of this down at the bottom. So the pen that I was using was my Sailor Pro Gear Slim, and it currently has Diatramentus Document Black in it. This seems to be my go-to black pen at the moment, plus there's so much black ink in here, I don't want to waste any of it. And then possibly for the week I will end up using either my Pilot Vanishing Point, which is probably my favorite pen at the moment, and it's currently filled with Jacques Herbin Cafe des Îles, so a nice brown, or the TWSBI Eco Tea that's currently filled with Pilot Iroshizuku Shinkai. So we will see, but I will definitely be using these for journaling as well. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.